So drove this morning to this farm about 3 hours away from Veronish, and we're gonna start to disassemble the drill. They're in there right now starting. I'm gonna turn my car around and park it inside so we can start unloading the tools, and then the parts will start to fly off with our cordless impacts and the special tools and the know-how of how to take the parts off. Here we go, let's get this done. It's go time. So we got the drill unfolded. They pulled out the center rows so it's easier to do. And we've got the tools spread out so we can start to pull from our tools. Got all the impacts. All the batteries in there should be fully charged. So here we go. Ready? All these rows have metric bolts that are longer, and then they double and triple nutted them. So it's taking way longer to get them apart. And they're really sloppy, so this is going a lot slower than we expected. So there you have it. One by one. Wait till we get to the front rank. We actually took the rows out of there so it'd be a little easier. We still got to get to those. We got all these to do. Those guys, the guys over there are taking off the disc and the seed tubes and eventually the seed boots. Making progress. Now we're taking these seals off. We've gotten the disc bolts off. We're going to take the seal off, and then the nut can come off. Just got to get behind there. There's that. And then you stick the impact in here. We have to lift up the row to make clearance. There's the nut. And then here's the hub. We're going to change out the seals, the bearings, because they're getting a little sloppy. It's got a lot of acres. You can see the seal showing quite a bit of wear. We're changing out all these seals. Look at all the garbage in here. And the spindle is here. Thankfully we got the shafts out, but some of them are going to be so stuck we can't get them out. And then we'll change the boots as well and the seat tabs. The boot pivot has already been fixed. Basically a full disassembly. They already did the main opener and pivots last time. So those are fine. The row's still really tight. Very little slop there. And we're gonna get this thing to the field in the next couple days so we can start seeding and seed with excellence. Hey guys, I'm on the front rank now, so the rear rank, I made that look easy, but now we got to get the front rank, and it is a pain in the butt to get in here. There's hoses in the way, there's these cylinders that lift the ranks up and down the rock shafts. And there's frame members right here, tubes, just a really tight space. But the nice thing is you start to get wheels out of the way, you get the arm off, and then all of a sudden you can get some room to get in here. So we're gonna start taking off discs now. One disc down, 24 more to go. Crawl to the next area. It's good to be skinny and young. Next we got to get the depth adjusters out, the shafts and the spindles and the hubs off, because we're going to rebuild all the hubs. Man, we have a lot to do. And as you can tell, there's only 3 of us working on it. All right, back to work. This is how you get the main open arm pin out of the opposite side row unit. You stick a bar through the hole. These guys have done this many times. They've probably taken apart the drill 3-4 times already since it's been new. Picking up all my tools just to make sure I have them in one place and they don't maybe go missing randomly. Anyway, we had a pretty good day. Like I said previously, I thought we'd have a lot more help. We had 2 guys. So it's me, 2 of their guys, and then Eugene. So 4 guys total. And we got a lot done, but we could have gotten twice as much done if we would have had 6 guys here. So we told them that if they want to be seeding by Thursday and get everything done while I'm here, they better get some bodies over here and they can help us, because we got a lot of tedious work to do. We got to do the hubs, we got to clean all this stuff. You can see here that all this is full of dirt, and that's got to be cleaned out and greased. We got to pound all these bushings out. We got to change all the boots, tabs, and it's obviously install all the new parts. There's a ton of work left to do. Well, it's time to go. Anyway, we're gonna go have some rest, get some food, probably work on some stuff since it's 9 hours later back home, so it's still during their day. I always try to put in some time and do some work on my computer. Try not to stay up too late, but then we got to get up and get here and gets going by 8 a.m. Alright, well, have a good night. It'll be the same for this video, but for us, we're going to have a good night and go from there. See you tomorrow. Or in a few seconds.
Ну, у кого-нибудь можно узнать, что? А так я не могу понять. Вам паспорт не нужен, вы широко снимите, а завтра будете, если вы... вам на бумажку надо будет.
Мне же надо ввести компьютер.
А мы в 7 часов уезжаем опять назад.
Вот уже скачалась, отдала, а я его не могу ввести. У меня нет...
Ну, а где здесь гостиница с компьютером?
Ну вот же, а что вы в спальне не поселились?
Сейчас нет, в Белгород поедем. А до Белгорода 50 километров.
Я не знаю. Да, в Белгороде они же сразу выдают вам листочек прибытия, все там, это же Белгород, это же гостиница другая, чем у нас. Я не могу, я не могу.
That sounds like we're going to Belgrade. Alright, I called it. You can sleep on the way.
Сколько до Белгорода?
Да, 50 километров. 40 минут или 35 минут ехать.
Second hotel we get rejected at.
Я понимаю это, но я не могу, поймите, я не могу.
Apparently having a USA passport
У нас охрана ходит. Сейчас вот ребята вот стоят охрана.
is a big
Сейчас зайдут,
deal.
они проверят, кто же проживает. Сейчас зайдут, все, конец мне будет. У меня тетя замуж вышла за швейцарца. Тоже я иногда...
Спасибо.
Да, я знакома с американцами.
А в каком же вы в этом стойке? Нет,
Well, we just got denied at this 4-star hotel. Oh, watch that mini step. Eugene, what do you have to say for yourself?
This is only comment. And it's not my mouth, but
So you're gonna leave your mark.
my lower hole commented.
Oh yeah. And watch your head. You actually can't see it, but Eugene tells me this says it's a 4-star hotel. I don't know where they get that. Anyway, we gotta drive to Belgrade, which is a nice hotel anyway, and it's only 30 miles away.
So, to your favorite Belgrade, yes?
To my favorite Belgrade hotel, or Hotel Belgrade. It's a wonderful place. I recommend it. Let's get there so we can go to bed. Gotta get up early. Now we're talking. Hotel Belgrade right here. Look at this thing. It's a nice place. This is one of my favorite cities in Russia. Belgrade. We're right in the city center. There's a city square behind us. And it's good value.